What would you do if your farm or your company experienced a blackout? Electrical systems must work without interruptions when human or animal lives, safety, and continuous production are at stake. If the power grid fails, the power station must step up immediately. AGCO Power Generators cover a range from 60 kVA up to 250 kVA, which means they can be used in outlets from 60 ampere to 400 ampere. AGCO Power Generator sets are meant to be used for backup and primary power. They offer reliability and peaceful minds to agriculture, industry, hospitals, data centers, hotels, fire and rescue departments, as well as water utilities, power stations, and electric plants, to name a few. Using the generator in manual mode works in 3 easy steps. Press start, turn lever, and finally get electricity. Power generators are often more affordable than a new power line and can be utilized when needed. Automatic systems start and stop when needed. For example, when a tree falls on a power line, an automatic generator waits for a preset time, starts, and quickly replaces the main power line. Electricity is being supplied and you can relax. When the power line has been fixed, the generator disconnects, turns the main power line back on, and stops automatically. And best of all, you are not left without electricity. Automatic units with synchronization start like the basic automatic systems, but the transfer back is seamless. First, it makes sure the electricity is the same from the AGCO Power Generator than from the power line, connects the power line back on, and then disconnects. This allows uninterrupted transfer back, online test runs, and peak shaving. In peak shaving, you can get full power from power line and extra ampere from the generator. AGCO Power Generators provide continuous electricity, and they should be used anywhere where extra power is needed or where any power outage could be harmful. The heart of AGCO generators is the AGCO Power Engine. Our engines have a long working life, great fuel economy, and they react well to power load. They are manufactured in Finland, where we have long experience and many demanding customers. We've done a lot of testing and research for challenging destinations. AGCO Power has manufactured engines since 1942. They are used daily in countless farm machineries such as Valtra, Massey Ferguson, Fendt, and Challenger. Generators have been manufactured since 1952. AGCO, safety and a peaceful mind.